Okay. Thank you, everyone. So I'm going to talk about the shared task on Arabic handwritten manuscript understanding, specifically on the Omar Saleh memoir. This effort is it's a joint effort between the Arab Center for Research, Hamad bin Khalifa University, KUST, Zinki AI, and Birzeit University. So the dataset was provided through the Palestine Memory Project. You can check out the dataset here by scanning this QR code or visiting this link. And this is a sample of the memoir dataset. It's composed of around 16 documents covering 15 years, around 6,400 pages, and around 1.6 million words. This is the full dataset. The provided input data set was a split of around 15,900 lines for training, 1,700 for development, and 2,600 for test. Basically, the task is for handwritten text recognition. We didn't focus on segmentation. We already pre-segmented the memoir that you can see here into different lines, and we provided the lines for the teams that were participating. So this would be three different columns or three different rows, sorry. We designed the task into two subtasks, one for manual transcription and one for automated systems. So the manual transcription, basically we gave each team at least one batch of 500 lines. Inside of them, we injected 50 hidden ground truth lines that we had already annotated. And for the automated system, we instructed teams to, given the line images, the splits, they were required to build an automatic HDR system. We evaluated using two very simple evaluation metrics, the character error rate and the word error rate. For subtask one, we had three participants from Cardiff University, an independent research, and from the Center for Research on the Arabic Language from Algeria. Most completed one batch with the Center for Research completing around 80% of a batch with fairly good character error and word error rates. For subtask two, the automated subtask, we established first a baseline. So we took a visual language model, Qwen 3, 8 billion. We fine-tuned it using low rank adaptation and on three epochs on only the data set that we provided, the training data set. We achieved around 36% character error rate and around 69% word error rate, which was a significant jump from the base model without the fine-tuning. For the participants, here we had around 7 participants. Around 4 of them used also visual language models, mainly Qwen 2.5 and Intern VL2, also with LoRa adaptations. 3 teams used standard TR-OCR style architectures, and 2 teams used ensemble methods with voting on the character level or on the word level. Also, 3 teams used the external Arabic text corpora to boost the performance of their models. And these were the results. Actually, all the teams, the 7 participating teams, they managed to beat the baseline. We have on top Misraj AI from Saudi Arabia. They got around 8% character error rate. Very close second and third, Oblivet from the Arab Open University with around 9%, and Kitaba OCR from Nama with around also 9.4%. So Misraj used an in-house model, a vision model that they have trained, but they fine-tuned on additional data sets, including the data set that we provided. And they also open sourced this fine-tuned so that as part of their system, so everyone can use it. We have Oblivet. They didn't use a VLM. They used a classical CNN, by-LSTM, and CTC. So CNN for visual extraction, by-LSTM to get the context, and CTC for decoding, with some refinements so that they could boost the performance to get to second place. And Kitaba OCR from Nama, they used a previous generation from Qwen than the one that was used on the baseline, but they tried so many different model configuration, and at the end, they used a weighted ensemble with 6 different model configuration, including one specific model that they use called Qari. so that they could get the third place. Some errors we noticed across all the submissions were character confusions, word boundary errors where words were split into two, some issues with diacritics, some issues with damaged regions on the actual documents themselves. That includes ink bleed or scanning issues, and some rare vocabularies. For the future, we plan to expand to more than one memoir collection by adding additional authors, by including different genres of Arabic manuscripts. Also, we plan to add more beyond line level evaluation. This would mean not just having an HTR task, but having also a segmentation task, and also studying cross-author generalization, where we train on one handwriting style and you test on different writers or different collections. You can find all the reference materials, the data sets, the paper, the results, all the systems, and the leaderboards here on this website or on this QR code. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Mr. Hadi. If you have any question, please go ahead. We can receive one question now. Okay, seems there is no questions. Okay, again, Dr. Khulud should be available to